Mastering, let's see it again, a guide to understanding and using this phrase. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a very common and useful phrase, let's see it again. Whether you're watching a movie, studying a new skill, or reviewing information, this phrase is handy and expresses a desire to revisit or re-examine something. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand its meaning but also how to use it effectively in various contexts. So, let's dive in. Let's see it again is a straightforward phrase composed of a few key elements. First, let's is a contraction of let us, which is an invitation or suggestion for a group action involving the speaker and at least one other person. See, in this context means to look at or watch something with attention. Finally, it again indicates that the action of seeing or watching is to be repeated. When combined, these elements suggest a collective desire to revisit something previously seen or discussed. This phrase is versatile and can be used in various situations. 1. Educational contexts. When a teacher or student wants to review a part of the lesson or a particular problem for better understanding. 2. Entertainment. While watching movies or videos, suggesting to rewind and watch a scene or moment again. 3. Meetings and presentations. To revisit a slide or a point that needs further clarification or emphasis. 4. Personal learning. When practicing or learning a new skill, such as a musical instrument or a dance move, indicating the need to repeat a demonstration or explanation. Using let's see it again can be a great way to actively engage in learning and ensure comprehension. Here are a few tips. Practice with a partner. Use this phrase in study sessions when you need clarification or wish to discuss a topic more deeply. Incorporate visual aids. When watching educational videos, pause and say, let's see it again, before replaying important parts. It helps in retaining information. Be confident. Don't hesitate to use this phrase in group settings. It often happens that others also benefit but are too shy to ask for a repeat. We hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and usage of let's see it again. Remember, repetition is key to learning, and using this phrase is a fantastic way to ensure you and others fully understand and appreciate the material or experience. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.